Hey guys, this is today's makeup look. It was completely inspired by my freshman year prom dress. I'm going to insert a picture here. I don't have an actual picture of me wearing the dress for my freshman year. I don't know, I think I've had two other computers since the one that I currently have now, so I assume the pictures of it are on one of those, and I don't know where they are, but I did get a picture of me in this dress a couple years ago. I tried it back on just to see what it looked like, so you can see what it looked like too. So this dress is the inspiration for this look today. If you want to see how I got it, just be sure and stick around and you'll see exactly what I did. Alright, so I went ahead in with a eyeshadow primer, and then I actually went ahead and put concealer down over top of that. And I'm going to go into this Blackheart Interstellar palette. You can get this at Hot Topic. And I'm going to use this shade right here called Moon Dust. And that's going to be my transition shade. It is a little bit of a satin color. Now I am going to go in with this color right here called Cosmic. Then I'm going to use just a tad of this blue right here called Universe. Then now I'm going to use this Colourpop shadow. This is in the shade Lace. And I'm just going to pop it on with my finger, even though I don't normally do that. It's just quicker. I am going to need to use a brush to get closer into the corners of my eyes. I feel like this shade is the exact same color as my prom dress from freshman year. Alright, and now I'm going to go back into this palette and use this purple shade right here called Milky Way. And I'm just going to use it to try and blend the edges of the Colourpop into the shadow that I had down. So I'll be real honest, I wanted to use that Colourpop shadow, but it's almost the exact same color as this purple. So if you have this palette, you don't have to use the Colourpop. I'm going to go into this one called Sun for my brow bone highlight. I'm trying something different. I'm going to use this Rimmel Brow Shake Filling Powder now, just because the last time I used it, it had fallout. And if it does this time, I'll be able to get it up before I put my foundation on. So my brows are almost always like the next to last thing I do. So it's very different doing them this early on. And I'm going to use this Never Touch Up Blemish Sweep Face Primer by RK by Kiss. For foundation, I'm going to use a tad of the L'Oreal Pro Glow and the Maybelline Dream Velvet. I would say especially the Maybelline foundation. I'm not a big fan of it by itself, so I think that using them together definitely help. Alright, I think that those two foundations together gave pretty good coverage. I'm using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer. Alright, and I'm going to bake under my eyes with this Coty Airspun. It is one of the best powders for baking. And I'm the type of person that has to set the rest of my face because I have wrinkles. So I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Face HD Matte Press Powder. Now I'm going to go in with this Beauty Benefits Pressed Powder. This is in the shade Tawny. And I'm just going to use this to very lightly contour. Alright, and now I'm going to use a Beauty Benefits bronzer. This is in the shade Sepia. Bronze up the outer parts of my face, right near the hairline. Alright, and now I'm going to go in with this Physicians Formula. This is called the Happy Booster Glow and Mood Boosting Blush in the shade Natural. Love this brush from e.l.f. This is the Flawless Face Brush. I usually use this for bronzer, but it worked really good just now for blush too. For my lower lash line, I'm just going to go back into this palette, and I'm going to grab this Milky Way shade. I'm going to use this Universe shade, the blue one, to get closer to the lash line. Now what I'm going to do is I use this Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit eyeshadow in the shade Goth Tears. I've used it before and it gave me some trouble, so I'm going to try it again on my lower lash line and hope for the best. And I am going to try and pop that right on the inner corner of my eye, just a tad. Okay, I'm going to use this Essence Superfine eyeliner pen. And for my waterline, I'm going to use the L'Oreal Silk Kiss Me in Cobalt, Blue Cobalt. I'm not really sure why my camera keeps turning off, but I'm getting a little irritated. So I'm going to use this L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black Mascara to just go over my eyelashes. I'm going to use this Hard Candy Metallic Mousse Matte Metallic Lip Color. This is in the shade Truffle. I'm not the biggest fan of that lipstick. The color is fine, but it almost feels like a powder going on. Alright, I actually am going to use this NYX Turned Up lipstick in the shade Playdate. I'm going to just put that over top. Alright, I think this is it. So what do you guys think about this makeup look that I came up with today? It was completely inspired by my freshman year prom dress. Do you think I did it justice? Do you think that if I had worn this look with that dress, it would have matched, it would have looked right? Just let me know down in the comments. If you enjoyed this, just be sure and subscribe to my channel. I had 3 more years of prom, so I'm going to do 3 more prom dress inspired makeup looks. So if you want to see those, just make sure to hit that subscribe button and you'll see when I upload the next one. Thanks for watching.